So what's in this now? This is the, give me, what's in it now?
Well, we have breadfruit corn in it. We have cho-cho, Irish potato, carrots, pumpkins. It's bubbling up now in it. The coconut juice is in it. Now we're gonna put in the callaloo and the okra. Okra gonna go in it now. Then after it go in it now, we turn on the stove and throw in the peas. Right, the bottom don't burn. We throw in the peas and the bean. Then now we have a tie of scallion. He's gonna be last and it's gonna be the last one going in. Then we turn on the stove and it's simmer there. Then we have some food can eat and drink.
Wow.
Yeah. No, this is a medicine.
Callaloo, okra.
This is a medicine.
Yeah.
This is natural thing. This is what was a baby and grow. That's what I deal with. Yeah. These what in the pot was baby and grow. But these one don't move up and down. These don't move around. These stay one place and grow.
Yeah.
The one that move around must be destroyed.
Yeah.
No.
The chicken, the cow.
No, we don't. You don't know.
Fish.
No,
you don't destroy them.
No, we don't destroy those. Those have their family. They are on earth. Look. No. If you was a child and lot of people, big man, they always use gun. They go to bird bush to shoot birds.
Yes.
We know this catapult, slingshot catapult we use to shoot birds. No. If we a bird come out, leave his nest with all his little chicken, little birds, then he leave out to get some food for his kids them in the nest, and they on the way you kill him. Those little birds perish. You see what I'm saying? That's why we are doing things and we don't know. Sometimes we think we're doing right, but it's not. It's what we come see. So you see, everyone is innocent. We don't supposed to stop the bird on his way, going to his kids to feed them.
So would you say the same from man when man kill another man?
That's right, because what happened is, right, that means no killing. Yeah, no killing. Then you don't have to purpose kill a man for him die. He can even coming from work on a motorcycle and he die on the way. Because what happened now? These things to transport people are weapon of destruction. They're comfortable, so nice, but they are weapon of destruction. Now this is the callaloo and yeah. Okay. No.
You gonna put scallion too?
No, not yet. The scallion gonna be there.
Season with the pepper. You put pepper too?
I didn't put any pepper.
So this is the sip.
Yeah, this is sip. And it don't get burned at the bottom now. If the peas was in it, cook with it. If the peas cook with it or the bean, now you have to show the word, because sometimes people don't understand what's going on.
Yes.
You know. My brothers and sisters don't understand what's going on.
Corn.
Yeah, man.
Pumpkin.
Yeah.
Coconut, grated coconut.
Yeah,
callaloo, okra.
Yeah.
No salt.
No salt. But I think it will taste salt.
Yes.
But no salt is there. I think it will taste salt. No one ever replied to me like how you do it. Would come and see my situation and know what is what from what is not. No one ever do things like that. You know what I mean? You is the first one who attack this, who see me then and see the vibes and see, you say, well then you should visit me because you see something.
Yes.
Yeah, but I like to be just hold my little corner, like how I grow. I just go to just hold my, take all the ill treatment and stuff.
Because this medicine here is high medicine. I come all the way.
Yeah, man.
And this sip is what I want at this point in my life. You know?
Yeah, man. No corruption.
And then I will follow and continue cooking this.
Yes, man. You cook it, man. It's simple, man. Do as me, man.
Anyone
walk on my footsteps, man.
Do as me.
Very guide, you know. No powers.
Yes, man. This powers was excellent today. Excellent.
The formation of changes, you know.
We don't do things, you know, we don't do things with ignorance, we just do things with love. It's simple. It's simple, man. We know how to do it, you know.
And calabash, show them the calabash we're going to eat it out of. I'm going to bring some for my friends, you know. I'm going to leave the dish for you back at Travelers. Yes. So you can pick it up there.
You know, so when I was in Lucy, I was thinking of it because this dish here, I don't think it's so happy.
What is that?
This dish here, I would give you this to carry for your friend.
Yes.
But what I think this dish have a hole. My daughter just said to me, to find one without hole, you don't have a cover.
Come all the way from America to the Sip.
Yeah, man, that's great. You know?
It is the real Sip. So this is Jahbless home. It is a blessed home, and it's a blessing for me to be here. Hopefully you can try the journey and be here too, and be blessed. You know, a lot of people need the healing. When they see me go on this journey and meet these people, they say, Randy, how do you do it? I says, you know, the Almighty creation bring people to me. I go to people. I share love. Love knows love. And I always find the most genuine, sacred, precious people in the world.
Susie! And where are you there? Susie, where are you? Yeah, man, all those people across the fence, may I tell you, them tell me all over, say, if people who have mind to do things for them don't have the thing to do it. For all them the people, you know, it's like, you know, they know the love I have for them. Yeah, they know how me share things with them, they know how me protect them, they know how me do it. Yeah. If I see a tree out there up to this morning, one no more tangerine on the tree. And I call her daughter and tell her to pick it. And there's only one is on the tree, you know. Yeah. If I see my daughter come and say she was looking at it.
The Sip smells good.
Not as yet. Not as yet, brother. We're soon gonna picture the world.
So how come you don't have another wife yet?
Another wife?
Or a woman?
I cannot have one woman. I have lots of ladies, man. I cannot have one person.
So
I have love for everyone, you know. I have love for everyone. I cannot have one, you know. Yeah. But they have to come around. They have their job to do, you know. They have their job to do. They have to, yeah. Because I don't deal with servant, you know. It's like a slavery thing when you call people servant. Yeah, and I don't want that to do. My tradition is to unite.
Yeah.
Yeah. I don't step on people and walk on them like a footmat. No. I always be equal.
Yeah.
Yeah.
I'm going to Manchester on Sunday.
You know, say very powerful.
What I've done to you.
Okay. First, my
What's
mother.
that?
First, my mother condemned me.
Why?
Because she was going out here to look up better life, so she couldn't have no time to waste on me. But she would say a better life.
Yeah.
But if you go into our next country, it must to be something. Yeah, so that's where it start. And then the handlings of family. It wasn't so good because when they find you don't have someone around you, they try to do you even when they know you're innocent, they try to blame you until you don't know about.
Yeah.
Yeah, so they have that but what they was doing to get me ignorant. And that time when I used to get that ignorant, I didn't get ignorant to hurt them, but I was getting ignorant to defend myself.
Yes. Oh, you was getting it.
Yeah, they used to get me ignorant, but not to hurt, ignorant to hurt them. Because the things what they do, you know, I didn't have it, I didn't look it, I didn't have no time to look to say they don't know what they're doing.
Yeah.
I was thinking it was purposely doing to me. But when I check it out at this time, it wasn't purposely. That's what's in them, they have to do it.
Okay. So how did you forgive them?
That's simple. That's simple, man. Forgiveness is the simplest thing in the world. Man. Yeah, man. Forgiveness is simple, man. Simple, simple, simple. Yeah. You forgive them, that's all. When they commit corruption, you build love to them.
Yeah.
Because they learn of corruption, they don't learn to. Sir, what you know what happens? It's a mix up from a long time. They give you a different name and cut up the land, and then we feel like we're not family.
So now you put the peas in.
The peas and the bean in it now. Then I gotta put in the scallion and turn on the stove. That's it, don't jump up and jump, let the things then jump out in the fire. There are a lot of people now who say, I would like some of that. What they seen, I would like to have some. You are very interested about the culture. Eh? That's fine. Things are to share. The only thing what I did want to know, one can come to me, but from there there is nothing to harm. That's fine. They will get any report they want. But whilst they are not here to harm no one, because we come in a long way and a lot of our people get harmed along the way. By people only want things from them. So that's why they get harmed. You know, they don't come with that love to share. Yeah. But I can know danger. It's simple. There is no one can pretend when it comes on to me.
Well, I tell you,
There is no one can pretend by be good and they are bad. You cannot do it when it comes on to me. Because I can take you and I can don't take you if I don't want. What I want to do, I can do with anyone. Yeah, it's simple, man. You see, from you is good, and you're going to transfer life to life. You get everything what I have.
this is heaven.
No, you're supposed to know out there more than me. I don't know the outside world.
Yes.
I don't know the outside world. You're supposed to know it.
This is heaven.
Yeah,
you went and...
How can I tell what was here before? It's only if you read or someone tell you. So when you read and someone tell you, you don't know. Because you hear from somebody and you read it from a book, you don't know if it's so. So we kind of believe what we don't know. That's why we have to get this try. Because you believe things that you don't know. I have to be certain. Who want to be the Almighty, that is not it. It don't matter we search to find who is He. Do the work. Because if your work is wrong and when you find Him, He don't accept you, how you gonna feel? You just was searching for Him and your work is not there? No, I don't challenge. I'm not a politician to say, you know, this one is God and that one is God and that one. I don't go like that. Who is He? Who is He? If there is something like that, give thanks. Your works carry you through. And the only thing what you do, don't destroy life. Don't destroy the one that can move up and down. That's the main thing on earth. The main thing, don't destroy life, what was a baby and grow and can move around. That's the main thing.
It goes beyond treat your brother well.
When I say
It's the main
Evil
thing
and
is
evil
don't destroy. Okay.
is the animal too.
Yeah, yeah.
And nothing at all what move and a baby and grow. Don't destroy it. That's the only sin a man have.
When them destroy something living that's moving.
What moving. The one that stay one place and grow, you can cut it. But the one that move up and down mustn't be destroyed.
Yes.
Yeah. Because it grow and it have what it have. It get its substance from the same what you get your one from.
Yeah.
From you can move.
Yeah.
It's the same substance.
Yeah.
Yeah, you get your so the destroying.
When you destroy that, you destroy self.
Yes, and the destroying is not say I'm blaming people for it to destroy at this time. But they don't know. It's coming their heavens. And the harvest that we've been towards still because we have a lot of challenge to go through. It's leave to all the things come between the short time you've been here, you leave to all things come where I put out what I have to, but you know, there's a lot more. There's a lot more, son. But I love the job what you're doing. Because I cry for the world. The pain they are in. The damage what happening to people all over the world. I cry for them at all the time. That's why I don't want no one come to me what is destroyer of life. I want somebody who come who build life, build it, don't destroy it. That's what I want. That's why I will give all my report to life. Because life connected to me. I am life. Yeah, when you destroy life, you destroy yourself. Cutting it down, I don't know. You know? It's simple. People cannot understand how me evil in them cities and them towns and them place what they buy, what they make to live off or to do things, business, and I fit in myself in their position. For I like all the hotels when we go to. I will be there from years to years and years to years, and there is no one can come and say you're breaking the rules of their rules what they put down in their place. I will visit a place to get a bread.
Oh, nice, lovely.
See, it won't take time I'll do it, turn on the stove, so you're not running over and just bubbling at the middle. But all around I get everything done.
Yes, yes, yes.
Because through the pot kind of full still.
Beautiful. Lovely. Good job.
Good job. Good job.
Yes, the sip master.
You know, that's true. And I just know how to put in the things by timely. I know what to do. It's like, I just know, you know. My technology go in life, not in machinery things.
Yes.
Yeah. My technology go in life, not in machinery things.
This is lovely. Give me the ingredients again one at a time, please.
One at a time. Okay. What I do, I cook the peas in a different pot. I cook the bean in a different pot. One side. I put on this pot now and with water like 3/4. Then I peel the breadfruit and the corn and put it together. Meanwhile, it's on the fire cooking. I peel the carrots and I peel the pumpkin and the cho-cho. Put the after the breadfruit almost cook on the corn, I put in those, cover it down. I peel my cocoa You know cocoa? I don't know. I didn't put no dashi in. I put yellow yam, cocoa. Then I start, after I put them in, I strip my callaloo and cut it up, wash it, and
With the okra.
the callaloo with the okra. But I first I grated the coconut and put the milk first. Then I put those in it. For the coconut milk has to be there. It don't make sense to cook in sip if you don't have the coconut milk. So it has to be there. You see what I'm saying? Then when that almost simmered, now you take the peas and you throw in the peas. That's why it come up like this. You throw the bean and the peas inside it. Now, turn on the stove, that's the bottom don't burn. For if the bottom burn, you're going to have a taste what we don't gonna be like too much. So it simmer more cool, so you can even push this to the bottom and you don't feel a hitch. Like something getting burned. Eh? Okay, good.
Calabash.
Yeah. I think I should put 2 pieces of corn. Let me say bird can fly upon one wing. But you have to go to the bottom, so you come up with everything.
No animals died in this process.
No.
And you have your thyme,
Yeah.
scallion, no salt, okra,
Yeah.
bean, peas, pumpkin,
It's there.
breadfruit, and cocoa,
Oh my God. You got.
and coconut milk.
Yeah, I love it. I love it. I love it. I
Yes,
love
this
it.
is the sip.
Come to Jawush. No. It's a process. We cook on wood fire and we cook on coal. Okay? Wood fire and coal. You see what I'm saying? That's what we start off with before we climb to this to do with stove. I don't know what amount you can devote what the first at one time. So if you want 2 calabash full, it's up to you with.
Yes, make it cool.
Okay. We want to give Steve some of sip, you know.
Was Steve the brethren in the taxi?
No, the one what.
Up the street?
Yeah, when I up the street, if I be kind of inform him about that sip, I say,
Yes.
they go inform him and
Make
then
some
no.
sip.
Susie over there, so me have to touch her. Jay said me to leave her zone. My daughter was here.
Yes.
You understand what I'm saying, son?
Yes, yes.
Yeah. Jay said I have to leave her. So it's here. Alright, this is what we do with me. That's okay with me. I think I should black off the stove. Share with some for Susan. Share with some for Susan.
Who's Susan?
Across the border. Over there.
Yes.
The lady I see there. My cousin, you know.
Yes.
And I also help those people, they need it.
Yes.
Where do I go? A sip. Yes, I'm going to meet my small brother. Asha? Yeah. I don't mark no girl. That brother come from Faith.
Oh, and him something hello.
What are you
You
doing?
come from where your father come from?
Manchester. Manchester.
Alright.
Oh,
You come from Manchester, but
Manchester.
you living in United States.
so one of my cousins.
Oh, your brother man. Yeah, me know. This man is man like with worldliness, like goodness, blessing, them type thing, you know. So he meet her and he find say,
You are the same like him.
yes, he say well then great powers. Yeah, so
I don't want any.
you have to find where we live. Yeah. Susan, it's alright. We'll talk. Go and go drink and give her
I
some.
will eat it.
She called my food Rastaman food. What did I tell you? What that?
Marshmallow.
Something like that. Sweet, something sweet, well sweet. So you say you see for today.
Go and go drink.
So I'm going to drink some of this.
Oh, You know, this somebody me cook him and buy all his stuff him from Lucy, you know. Man a Jamaican, you know, man.
Oh.
Yeah, me cook. So.
Why you miss it now?
All right. Nice meeting you.
Okay. So I have the last name though.
McLean.
Yeah.
Why we need the family that we can't believe it. Even I wanna know if I would name our family still. Alright, good. Yeah.
This is the vibe. This is the love.
Mm-hmm.
Neighborly.
Yeah, and it's
brother,
it's simple, you know. It's simple. It's simple. What I receive of my goodness is not silver and gold, you know. That's the way things leak into me.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah, because if you're gonna share to the world, you have to be powerful. You understand?
So you're Jamaica Good Life.
Yeah.
We're promoting good.
Yeah.
So we call it Jamaica Good Life.
Yeah.
Because this simple life here is good life.
Good life.
So we're trying to, they paint Jamaica bad, even Jamaicans abroad, the media.
Yes.
So what I came to do is to paint Jamaica good.
That's right. And it's good for evil. It's good for evil the foreign, the hotels them too, you know?
Yes.
Because they will get more people to come.
Yes.
Yeah, because, you know, that's it.
So you're a part of season 1, Jamaica Good Life. You have a whole section to yourself.
That's great.
You know.
Nothing, sir. Anything you see happen, you just have to happen. This is the part. This is the time where things has to happen in a good way. Too much bad take over.
Yes.
So this is the time now. So you see what happening.
Yes.
It don't affect me because this is what I want.
Yes.
That is the way it has to transfer. That's the way it has to transfer. Because if I want in United States or in Europe, they cannot know what's going on if they don't see
it.
Yeah.
Because look, imagine they can now call you, they can donate to you, they could come here and participate in the goodness.
Yeah, and this goodness what I bring to is not only for me, you're gonna feel as brothers and sisters who are going through struggle.
Yes.
Where they can.
Life is a confirmation.
Yeah.
Every journey and everybody you meet must confirm you say who you are, Okay?
If you're acceptable or not.
Yes. So if an elder like yourself at your age and your liberty can see me for me, me no need for running around the world and try to convince anybody. When I come from Africa, I come to say, all right. You see,
you want to take off a madman to you. If they walking on the road, me walking and they can know you.
Mm-hmm. See what no, you're 61.
65.
65. And you telling them, say, them don't know me.
Them don't know you. But must tell you, so they might take off a madman because anytime you're going into righteousness, it's like a blank to their sight. The righteousness is a blank to their sight. For all they feel like to be challenged is the best. To be challenged in grievance is the best. When they take off your madman, it's good for you, you know.
You know the beauty of it all.
It's good for you.
You see, when I produce these films and upload it, and they see it, they say to me, how does this man do this? He brings us wisdom from the mountains. How do he meet these people?
Because these people upset. They don't take your madman. They take your years on a journey. When you can't see the thing that's good from when you can't see it. When you are blind to the thing.
Yes. Right here is from the elder brother. Yeah. See, I'm in my outfit, my beads from Africa. Me in the house, Honorable Sip, the man changed my diet and put me on a new course. Every man needs a new fork in the road in a new direction. And today I got my new direction. Eat this way, do this. This man is May 4th and I'm May 7th. And through galactic principles and timing, we meet, exchange information, love, and I'll be back here again on frequency because I know in the mountain there's one like me. And we just live and eat and share it with the world. You know, a lot of times I'm going through and people don't know my identity and philosophy. but I'm going to write it in the book of runs. You know, the words that was inspired by the Almighty Creation. It takes an elder to recognize me. That's why I'm going to talk to many. So now, you know, this transition in my life, now that I met you, when I look at the picture when I took with me and you, it was I send it to my friends in Africa. They say, man, you look so happy. Is that your father?
More than a father.
I say, yeah, that's my galactic brother. Because this man don't kill insects. This man has reached the supreme level of kindness and love. He don't kill anything. This man don't read off man's book. This man read from the trees. The butterfly and the bees. So when I recognized that, I said, this man get it. This man read from the tree bark, from the ancestors walking on the ground. This man is nature.